Is it okay if I'm to say I'm catching feelings from all the dealings? Am I astray? What do you say?
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're here with AFSisterwig once more. Definitely one of my fave companies to get really top quality wigs from. So first thing I'm seeing when I open the box was the wig, but for goodies today I got an edge brush and comb, I got some hairpins, and I also got this little clip here, as well as, you know, the usual wig caps. But this wig cap today that I got is the HD wig cap. Definitely more breathable, thinner, easier to melt down with your install. I recommend this wig cap 10 out of 10. So shout out to AFSister for sending this. And then let's get into our wig. The wig that we're working with today is the Lewis Highlight Blonde Pixie Cut Pre-Plucked Virgin Human Hair Wig. Alright, so as you can see, yes, it's a short wig. You guys know I love my short wigs. I was just showing you guys the inside, you know, the construction and all of that. It came with 3 combs on the inside and adjustable straps in the back, as well as a additional strap so you can have more security. And then I went ahead and I definitely tried out the wig cap, and you guys can see that it's definitely thin. It makes application way easier. It's way quicker to like dry down with the adhesive, and it's just so hassle free. So I love it for the application and installation. Well, installation rather. So I definitely used glue for today's install, and I was using the Lace Be Gone glue. This glue is a little bit more extreme. It has a stronger hold than any other glue I've ever used, so I do love it. Only if you want to wear your wigs for a little longer, you know. So yeah, I did 2 layers of that, and then I just pretty much went ahead and kind of used my elastic band to kind of just help with speeding up the whole meltdown process. I did dry it down a little bit with my blow dryer. That didn't get caught on camera, unfortunately, but you guys know the drill. So then I moved on to just removing the excess lace, and then I went back in, tied down the area again, and kind of got my blow dryer on cool air to further accelerate the drying or meltdown process. So once I'm done with that and I remove all the excess lace, I kind of go in and start finessing my edges. You don't have to do any edges if you don't want, so please, if you don't like it, you can keep your comment to yourself, okay? Everybody has their preferences, so if you're not one of those people who don't like edges, then just don't do it, okay? All right, so I was just moving on. I just went on to styling the hair, kind of just adding some curls to it and stuff, and just, you know, finessing it. Alright, so yeah, this is the finished look of this wig. It looks pretty nice. You know, if you're going for that shorter vibe, this is your wig, and it has the highlights. It's the first time, as I said before, I'm working with a wig, a short wig that has color to it. Everything has always been black, but it's real nice. Let me go ahead and show you the back. Really nice and layered, you know, and it curls really nicely. It looks good. Once again, AFSisterwig, they did it. It's very realistic looking, and it's a vibe. I really do love how it turned out. Guys, if you're interested in getting this wig for yourself, please go ahead and check out my description box. That's where the direct link will be, as well as the specifications, so go ahead, check that out. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
Is it okay if I'm to say I'm catching feelings from all the dealings? Am I astray? What do you say? How are you feeling? Is it the same? I hope you're not planning to waste my time. To my surprise, that was her reply. Now we vibe. It's been a while and such a ride, the stars align. I love the fact I didn't let it go.